Lynbrook, I'm Srishti, a junior, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pav bhaji. So this is a Indian street food dish from the state Maharashtra, which is in the western region of India, and I really love this dish, so let's get right into it. Alright, so we're first starting off by chopping up our vegetables. Here I'm dicing up half an onion. Then I'm chopping up 4 florets of cauliflower, just about 1 cup. And here I am chopping up half of a green bell pepper. And now I'm chopping up 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm also cutting up a little bit of cilantro. Let that all vibe on the side. And now we head over to our pot where we have 3 tablespoons of butter. Seems like a lot, but hey, who said this was going to be healthy? And we add some onions. Let that cook down until it becomes translucent, like you can see here. At this point, you're also supposed to add in your garlic paste, but I forgot to do that, so I added it in later. But here you can see me putting in my cauliflower. And just cook that down for a few minutes and keep mixing it. And then you're going to add in your green bell peppers and also cook that down for a few minutes. It should look something like this. And now you're going to add in half a cup of green peas. And as always, just cook that down for a few minutes. After a few minutes, you should add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and mix that up. Add in your tomatoes at this point and let it cook down, mix it up. Yeah, she's starting to look pretty good now. So now we're just gonna add in your salt and mix it up. Then you're gonna add in your chili powder. As always, mix it up. Now I'm adding in pav bhaji masala. You can find it in any South Asian grocery store, or you can just make your own. Now I'm also adding in some water just to loosen it up a bit. I added around 3/4 of a cup. And you're just gonna cover it up and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then you can uncover it and stir it around for a bit. Now we add in our cilantro and mix that up. Now here comes the fun part. You're going to smash everything and break it all down. In the end, it should look something like this. You can break it down even further if you want to. And now our last ingredient is our mashed potatoes. And we're going to mix that up and break up any large clumps and make sure it's just all mixed in thoroughly. I let that cook for a few minutes. I poured in a little bit of water again just to loosen it up. Add enough till you get your desired consistency. Now cover it up and let it chill on the side. Now you're just gonna toast up some bread. Normally you would use like some kind of bun. I didn't have any, so I just used normal white sliced bread. And I spread some butter onto it as well. You can also use a toaster instead of a pan, whatever is easier for you. Now the only thing left to do is to serve it up and eat. To garnish it up, I sprinkled some diced onions and cilantro, then I squeezed a little bit of lime juice onto it. Yay, thanks for watching. Hope you guys make it someday. That's it. Bye!